Hi, my name is Claudio and I am an artist. Are you an artist as well? So let's do this together. Today I will share with you the process behind the creation of an illustration of a naked female character in a comic style a little bit. So I am going to share with you the references that I have found around, and then I will show you the whole process, sped up with otherwise it will take 1 or 2 hours. That's gonna be too long for today's video. Let's start. Stay with me till the end of the video so that you will understand all the tips behind the creation. So let's start with the references. I like to look, I have a lot of books, art books at home, so I advise you do the same if you want to be a painter, illustrator or whatever. If you want to learn how to draw, you need to have good references. So the first reference I got for today's is from Matisse. It's the great French painter, and I have found this sketch that he did back in 1923. Of a female character. I mean, I liked very much how he depicted the body. You see the very nice forms, the muscles, and the shadows. So I started, I mean, from this pose, which I liked, and then I modified it a little bit. And then I put it in another context. So this is how I started. And about the mood, that means the ambience and the colors and everything, I took a reference from this book from Yslaire. He's a Belgian comic artist. I live in Belgium, even if I'm Italian, and I must tell you that Belgium is one of the best countries when it comes to comics. There's a scene which is really great, a lot of artists doing comics. So this book, Mademoiselle Baudelaire, is one of the greatest operas of Yslaire. And you see, there's a little bit of mature content in it, but yeah, it's not too much disturbing for everybody. This page can be shown. You see that I wanted to gather the ambience from this book with a limited color palette, brownish, grayish, comic style, but enough realistic for the characters. So this is the idea. So I'm gonna show you now the final result, which I obtained after 1 or 2 hours, I don't remember. So this is the final illustration. I did it on A3 paper. I'm sorry, this is the international system. I don't know if you don't understand A3. It's about, I don't know, yeah, you see my hand like this. I did it at first sketch with a mechanical pen. Then I went over with a fine liner to depict the main lines, and then I started giving some texture using ink and watercolor for the main figure. So let's start and see the process. I'm gonna speed up the video now so that we can see from beginning to end what I have done. Let's start. And here we are with the final version of that drawing. Wonderful, wonderful. I like it very much. So if you have succeeded not getting a slip till now, you have won the possibility to hit that subscribe button on the bottom of the screen. Hit the bell as well so that you get notified when the coming videos will be published on my channel. So what I will do in the coming video, I will show you a bit of post-production in Photoshop. What I do when I finish a drawing on the paper, I normally take a picture, I import it in Photoshop, and I adjust the colors. I add some more details, I add some text maybe, so that this can be used as a print. I mean, it can be sold as a print as well. So, see you soon.